I'm Morgan Feldman, Customer Success Manager at T1V, and today I'm here to show you just some quick overview of the video conferencing portion of HubVC. So this is my idle screen, and from the idle screen, you'll notice I have some meetings that are pre-scheduled. And like this one with the Zoom icon means that it's a Zoom meeting. So if you ever want to pre-schedule your meetings and you have your Teams or Zoom or WebEx account, you can just invite the HubVC to join. And then it'll show up right here, and whenever you're ready to launch that meeting, you can just select that meeting and it'll launch it right away. If you have an on-the-fly meeting, you can choose to start a new video conference by pressing Start New Video Conference here. This will launch your VC panel, and within here you can choose which third-party video conferencing application you want to use. So if you want to use Zoom, you'll start new meeting. This will launch the Zoom app. It'll automatically sign you in, and you can choose to join a meeting if you were invited to somebody else's meeting that you're not the host of, or you can start a new meeting and select new meeting. Now, everything that I see in here is the actual Zoom application that's running. So anything that I normally do within Zoom, I can do through here, with the exception of a few shortcuts that you do on HubVC. So if I want to share my screen, instead of using the built-in share screen within Zoom, I can just start screen sharing from up here. And now this entire HubVC, anything that you see here, is being shared with all the participants. So we see Kate's participating in. Hi, Kate. And she can currently see anything that I do. So if I did want to have a sketch or anything up here, I'm sharing that with her now. If I want to use the HubVC, but I don't want the participants on the Zoom call to see that, then I'm going to stop sharing that screen. And now I can continue working, and only my video feed is going through that Zoom conference. If I wanted to stop my video, I can go back inside of Zoom and use the built-in tools to stop my video. Up here, I have a full screen mode. So if I want to go into full screen, I will use this full screen icon. And this is what full screen looks like on HubVC. If I need to use a keyboard for some reason, there's a keyboard tool up there that'll launch the keyboard. To take the keyboard away, you just simply select that keyboard icon. To end the meeting, you can end the meeting within Zoom, or you can use our built-in end video conference, and that'll end the meeting. And then when you're finished with the HubVC in this session, you can end session, and that'll reset the password and get it ready for someone else.